Those guys running away from the toll gate was the worst mistake they did.
Seriously,
I'm telling you, they should have stood there
that very day.
That day, and there those people once and for all.
Wow.
The oppressors know the game, they understand it. Once they did that, and they know you are afraid of it, then they will never leave. What they know is themselves and their family.
Yes.
They will never change. So I am 66. I'm going to be 70 in 4 years. I'm 67 this year. Okay, so another 14, 13 years, I'm 80 years. It has passed our own time. But if I'm 18, 19, 21, 23, 24, 25, you think I will not do anything? With the life I live, we're coming up, I would have done something.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, now there have been many debates online with people talking about, some will say you're a millionaire, some will say you're a billionaire. Are you a $1 billion billionaire?